Here we are going to construct a tangent to a circle from an external point on the concentric circle. So let us take a problem. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. For this, we have to draw concentric circles of radius 4 cm and 6 cm. Concentric circles are circles having same center. So take OS center and with OS center draw two circles with center O having radius 4 cm and 6 cm. So we are drawing a circle with center O and radius 4 cm. Put the needle of the compass at O and open the radius 4 cm and name it as C, the circle C. Now we have to draw other circle which is concentric circle. So same center and radius more by 2 cm means radius 6 cm. We have drawn another circle and the name of the circle is, mark it as C dash. Now from the point on the concentric circle which is C dash, from that point we have to draw a pair of tangent to the circle C. So take point A on the circle, C circle, and take a point P on C dash circle, and it should be on a straight line, OAP. Points OA and P are in a straight line. And with point P we have to draw tangents to circle C. See, P lies on circle C dash. So with P as a point, we have to draw two tangents to the circle C. From an external points, only two tangents can be drawn. For this, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of OP. So perpendicular bisector of a line segment passes through the midpoint of the line segment and intersects the line segment at 90 degrees. So to draw a perpendicular bisector with O and PS centers and radius equal to half of OP, more than half of OP, draw arcs which cross each other at some point, mark it as U, and then with PS center and same radius which you have taken earlier, now with PS center mark another arc below the line, and with OS center with same radius draw an arc which crosses arc previous arc at some point, mark it as V. So now next step is to join U and V. This UV is the perpendicular bisector of a line segment which passes through the midpoint of the line segment OP. So it crosses OP, that point is midpoint. So name it as M. Now take M as center and radius MO. Draw a circle with center M and radius MO. Draw a circle which passes through P. Now see, this circle crosses circle C at 2 points. Name 2 points. First point you may name it as Q. Second point you name it as Q or T. So Q and T are points where this circle crosses circle C. Now join PT. PT is a tangent. PT is a tangent. P is an external point which is on concentric circle. So P is a point which lies on concentric circle. So from P draw tangent PT, and from P we can draw tangent PQ. So join PQ. So from an external point P we can draw two tangents, a pair of tangent. So PQ and PT are tangents to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle. Now measure tangent PQ, and it is 4.5 centimeters approx, and measure tangent PT, and it is also 4.5 centimeter. So we have seen tangents are equal. So a pair of equal tangents can be drawn to a circle from an external common point P outside the circle. Now we will verify the measurement by actual calculation also, the measure of the tangents PQ and PT. With center O, we have drawn two circles, circle C and circle C dash. Circle C is having radius 4 centimeters and circle C dash is having radius 6 centimeters. Both circles are having center O. Concentric circles are circles which are having same center. So C and C dash are concentric circles having same center O. Now we have to construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm, which means we have to construct a tangent to circle C. To this circle we have to construct the tangent from a point which lie on circle C dash, circle of radius 6 cm. So from the circle of radius 6 cm, from the point on the circle of radius 6 cm, we have to draw two tangents to the circle of radius 4 cm, and both are concentric circles. Now see, P is the point on the concentric circle C dash with center O. P is a point on circle C dash, and PQ and PT are tangents drawn from this point P to the circle C of radius 4 cm. Now we have to see how PQ and PT are tangents. For that, we have to join OQ. Now when we have joined OQ, we see that OQPM, this is a semicircle, and OQP is an angle on the semicircle. This is an angle in a semicircle, and this angle is 90 degree, angle OQP, because angle in a semicircle is right angle. So this is right angle. Now see, OQ is radius and QP is a line. OQ is a radius and QP is a line. OQ is perpendicular to QP. So QP is a tangent, because we know tangent at any point on the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. PQ is a tangent. Similarly, when we join OT, OTP is 90 degree and PT is a tangent. So PQ and PT is a pair of tangent drawn from point P to the circle C. Now see this triangle OQP. OQP is a right triangle where angle Q is 90 degree. Now we have to apply Pythagoras theorem for it. So OP is the hypotenuse, so OP square equal sum of the square of other two sides. So OP square equal OQ square plus QP square, where OQ is the radius of the circle C, which is 4 cm. So see here, OP square equal OQ square plus PQ square. OP square is 6. This OP square is 6 cm because it is the radius of the bigger circle. So 6 square. OQ is the radius of the smaller circle, that is 4 square plus PQ square we have to calculate. So 6 square 36 equals 16 plus PQ square transport 16 to right and left hand side. So it is 36 minus 16, that is 20. 20 equal PQ square. Now PQ under root, we have to take a square root of 20. Square root of 20 is 4 into 5. square root of 4 into 5, 4 into 5, 22, you can take outside. So 2 root 5 equal PQ. So PQ, length of PQ is 2 root 5. This PQ is 2 root 5. Similarly, we can join OT. We can join OT and we can find, and as you know, this is a right angle. We can find in this triangle OTP, this PP, and this also, the value of this also is 2 root 5 centimeters. So we see PQ and PT both are equal. So a pair of tangents can be drawn to a circle. A pair of tangents can be drawn. Pair of tangents can be drawn to a circle from an external point outside the circle, and these two tangents are equal. So only pair of tangents can be drawn. Pair of tangents can be drawn. So PQ and PT are tangents drawn from an external point P, and both are equal.